Good day. It is Monday, July 2nd, 2018. The second half of the year has begun. One thing we can promise you, it's going to be an exciting half year ahead. Um, Today we're going to talk about the 5 different time frames for the 7 Sentinels. We track the 7 Sentinels on a monthly basis. Here they are, the Standard & Poor's 500 going back 12 years to 2006. There have been 7 signals on the from the 7 Sentinels. And when we get a sell signal, it marks the beginning of a primary bear market. When we get a buy signal, beginning of a primary bull market. Again, sell signal, beginning of a primary bear bull market. Bull markets began with a 7 Sentinels buy signal. The latest signal was in January of 2018 when we got a sell signal, and we are now in a primary bear market. Looking at the weekly for the last 3 years, again, this marks the primary signals. Primary bear market begins when we get a sell. Primary bull market begins when we get a buy. And the latest signal was a primary bear market beginning as signified by a 7 Sentinel sell signal in January 2018. So monthly down, weekly down. Let's take a look at the daily. Here's the last 3 months. Daily bars. When the 7 Sentinels get a buy signal, that marks an intermediate term uptrend. When the 7 Sentinels produce a sell signal on the daily, that produces an intermediate term downtrend. Intermediate term sell signal just occurred about 8 trading days ago, and we are just beginning an intermediate term downtrend. Monthly down, weekly down, daily down. Let's go to the 2-hour. In fact, let's take a look at the 2-hour right now, live and up to date. The 2-hour had, we call them our short-term sentinels. They went to a buy back in early June, stayed in uptrend, short-term uptrend, then through it was back in May, through the end of May and into the middle of June, and then they produced a sell signal again about 8 days ago, and we have been in a short-term downtrend since then. So again, monthly down, weekly down, daily down, and even the 2-hour is down. Now let's take a look at the very short-term sentinels. They use the 10-minute bars, and they, after being in an uptrend up to June 21st, then they went to a sell on the close of business June 21st and are in a downtrend now. So repeating, the monthly is downtrend, the weekly is downtrend, the daily is downtrend, the 2-hour short-term sentinels are in downtrend, the 10-minute very short-term sentinels are in downtrend. Very rare alignment, only happened 3 times since 2011, and it's occurring right now. Just wanted to bring that to your attention. If you go to the 7 Sentinels website, if you actually subscribe, you can get a more complete appreciation for what this means to you, the trader, what it means for the market ahead, what it means to you, the trader, for your position right now, and what you should be doing about it. So we hope you'll think about that. You can always subscribe on a trial basis for just $9.95 and check us out. See what's there, and see if you believe, as we do, that it'll make you a more profitable trader. So thank you very much for coming by and watching this video today, and we wish you good trading.